Figure of speech. It is a poetic, imaginative, or ornamental expression used for purposes of comparison, emphasis, or stylistic effect. There are many examples of figure of speech. This includes simile, personification, hyperbole, metaphor, oxymoron, and euphemism. Simile is a figure of speech that uses conjunctions like and as to express comparisons. Example, your skin is smooth as silk. Personification. It is a figure of speech in which animals, plants, objects, and ideas are treated as if they were humans or alive. Example, the clouds chased each other across the face of the moon. Hyperbole. It is a figure of speech which is an intentional exaggeration, usually to emphasize a point. Example, I have loved you for 1,000 years. Metaphor is a figure of speech using an analogy or close comparison between two things that are not normally treated as if they had anything in common. Oxymoron is a figure of speech which is a combination of two or more words that are normally opposites in order to startle. Example, bittersweet and beautiful nightmare. Euphemism is a figure of speech which is used to speak or write euphemistically is to use a milder, more polite, less direct, or even less honest expression rather than one that is considered the blunt, vulgar, direct, or revealing. Example, he passed away. That means he is dead or someone is dead. Thank you for watching this video.